Hallo und moin, I'm Dani and I'm a German teacher. I'm from Hamburg, where I studied to become an English and social studies teacher. During my studies I was also working as a coach and trainer in a big company called Broadway Musical Management, and I was also a freelance journalist and photographer. So I have lots of work experience and I really like to work with media and I like to write. Currently I'm also writing a book with authentic assignments for other language teachers to use. 11 years ago I moved to Sweden with my family and I learned Swedish, and then I was teaching German in a Swedish school. My lessons are highly structured and they give you everything you need to reach the A1 level or A2, B1, B2. I'm a very devoted teacher, so I love teaching, and my lessons are authentic, neat and interactive. In my lessons I will give you learning tips and recommend materials, and also give you authentic tasks to work with and vocabulary sheets to develop your German. I'm also working on the Patreon side, so you could join the Patreon and choose which membership you need if you want to have assignments every week, or if you want to have personal lessons, individual lessons, and then you will also get personal feedback. And if you are a company and you have employees that need to learn German, I can also help you and tailor lessons, and I can also help you with translation. If you need translation from English to German or from Swedish to German, that's no problem for me. On my website you can find learning materials and also learning tips, and for other teachers you can find materials that might inspire you or help you, some warming up you could do with your students or other activities. I will put my website in the description below. Bitte like and subscribe. Danke!